about a shark that ate a boat.
They need a bigger boat, but hey, look,
All right,
look.
I see it, I see
They're
it.
there. Okay, it's our time to shine.
Y'all know me. Y'all know what I do for a living. Doug, the boat bounty hunter.
And I'm Christy.
And that's Christy.
I'm Christy.
I understand you have a little rusty yacht problem. Well, I'm the man to get the job done.
Yes, he can get
But I got to
done.
tell you something right now, Mr. Biden. I value my neck for more than $5 million. For $5 million, I'll find it. But for 10, I'll catch it and bring it back to you.
At least 10.
Listen, it's non-negotiable. We had this conversation. She wants to hold 10 million. I can't get her to change her mind. All right.
Not gonna happen.
So you want to play it cheap, put all your crews on welfare all winter, or you want to pony up, get everybody back on a paying basis?
Yes.
$10 million for me, myself alone. Okay, plus her, she wants to buy an RV.
Yeah.
$10 million. I don't need no volunteers. I don't need no mates. Too many captains in Fort Lauderdale.
Nope.
$10 million for me, myself alone.
That's mine.
And her. So all y'all let me know and think about it. All right, I'm Doug, the boat bounty hunter.
And I'm Christy.